In this video, we're going to walk you through how to assemble your drawer-based cabinet. Start out with the rear panel using the pre-drilled holes to connect your L brackets to the panel. Now switch to the face frame and line the grooves with wood glue. Then slide your side panels into place using the grooves, making sure that they are flush with the face frame. Next, you will want to slide the bottom panel into place, making sure it slides all the way into the grooves. Now you want to take the rear panel and slide it into the back of the cabinet. After it is in place, flip the cabinet onto its back and fit your inserts into place. Then use metal clips to fasten down the inserts. Now move back to the front of the cabinet and put your drawer glides into place. Then, using the top hole, connect the glides to the side of the face frame. The front and back of your drawer box will require wood glue in the dovetailed grooves. Using the dovetail, connect the sides of your drawer to the front piece. Then slide the bottom of your drawer into place and connect the back piece using the dovetail as well. Finally, you want to attach the connectors for the drawer glides. Put them in the bottom corners of the drawer and screw them down. Be sure to attach your drawer stops. Repeat these steps for the other two drawers. Then pull out your drawer glides and set the drawer in place, using your connectors to attach the drawer to the glides. Then repeat these steps until completed. And now you've completed the assembly of your drawer base cabinet.